Here we go. Donna made some cakes. Mmm, scrumptious. Oh, bloody stupid phone. What we have here, they're called finger buns. It's pink ice.
Open it up, put a bit of butter on it. Really yummy.
Okay, so what Donna's telling me is that you can just slice it in half, put some margarine on it or butter, whatever, and yeah, it's really good.
Kind of like sweet bread.
How much was it?
$3 for 4.
Okay, $3 for 3 pieces.
Oh, I've already had one.
Okay, that's why the packaging seems.
They don't last on this house.
Yeah, I can imagine. Same with my house. I buy shopping and everything's gone within a few days. And this is tuna mornay. It's like pasta with tuna, and it's already pre-cooked and everything. You've just got to shove it in the oven and reheat it. Obviously, it goes into an oven like so, which we don't have in the Philippines. So we can't do any of this kind of cooking. And I can't cook for you my special potato bake. My Donna special potato bake. You what?
What to say about potato bake?
I'm telling Rizzo because we don't have an oven in the Philippines. I can't cook it for her.
I'll do one day for you.
Oh, gee, thanks. There'll be plenty of video being done for that, I'll tell you. Yeah. I used to do it myself before when I was living in my own places, and it turned out good, but it wasn't quite the same as yours.
Oh, secret ingredient.
Yeah.
Might pass on to my death.
Mum used to do it. She used to put like mushroom slices and
Yeah, but not
other
the same as
things.
mine.
No, completely different. But they were both nice and tasty. Mine was just plain, you know, the standard ingredients. But it always, I don't know, just didn't have that kick. All right, so that's what the kind of things we can get here. Oh, I forgot to ask how much that tuna mornay was. But anyway, I'm sure it'd be about $10, which is like 400 peso. All right, I've got to do a lot of editing on videos, and that's it for now. Do you know how much it was, that tuna mornay thing? Like,
$12.
I was thinking 10. Okay. Yes, it's actually made by, or packaged or whatever, by Woolworths, and it's $12, which is about 500 peso, and it's 1.1 kilo. 35 minutes in the oven, serves 4 people, 3.5 health star rating. Made in Australia from at least 75% Australian ingredients, and it's best before July 21, 2022. So yeah, it's aluminium foil, so I can't really show you what it looks like inside anyway, but that's what it looks like there. All right. Okay, before I was showing you the tuna mornay that we were going to have for dinner. Well, it's been cooked. There's not much left over, but I've got some in my plate. And it smells great, and it looks pretty good, considering how it's all mashy. It's just pasta and tuna, all cooked up with some cheese, spices and herbs. But we'll give it a go, and we'll let you know. Oh yeah. That is not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, enjoy. Alright, I just bought a few things just to compare prices. These are cheese and bacon bread rolls. Alright, so they're full of cheese and bacon. Yum. Anyway, that's that one there. It costs $3.50 for a pack of 4. Now, the next one is Maltesers. It's called Maltesers popcorn, but there's not popcorn in it, so don't. It's just popcorn flavour. Alright, now it's 130 grams and it costs $3.80. So this costs more than that. You see what I mean? Now this is the normal standard cherry ripe that I was telling you about. And these are fantastic. You can't find them in the Philippines. And this one is also a cherry ripe, but it's actually, if you can read it, it says double dipped. So it's been dipped into the chocolate twice, not just the one time. Gives it extra chocolatey flavour. But they're both, as you can see, they're both $1.20. See? Double dipped in standard cherry. Right. It's made by Cadbury Confectionaries. I think Maltesers might also be Cadbury. Not sure. Yeah, so that's just the back of it. Popcorn flavour. Yeah. Oh, it's Mars Wrigley, sorry. They're the ones who own the company rights and all, or probably the ones that make it. Alright, give me a minute. I gotta get my coffee. Okay, I'm back. I got my coffee now. Woohoo! Alright, let's move that out of the way. Yeah, so I'm gonna open them up and just show you what they're like. You can pretty much see what that one's like, but yeah, it'll be better out in the open. Obviously, you can't see what it looks like in there or in there, but you know, you can see a picture. That's why they're called cherry ripes. They've got pure cherries in them. Anyways, they're all chopped up in little pieces. Hang on, give me a minute. Okay, I've opened them up, and just to give you an idea, see, cheese, ham and cheese. Or is it bacon? It's cheese and bacon rolls, but ham, bacon, same thing. So that's what they look like. I know there's more bread than anything else, but yeah, that's good. This is the standard cherry ripe. And you can see the next one, that's a double dip, so it's a lot darker in colour. And these are the Maltesers. Now, when I opened this bag up, boy, did I smell the popcorn flavour. Don't taste too bad. Give me a second. Alright, now that I pull these apart, this is what they look like on the inside. It's all cherry and I think nougat mixed together. And that's the dark double dipped one. And this is the standard one. So yeah. Now I'm going to put them all away because I'm going to have my bread roll first. So anyway, that's it. Total was $9.70. I gave it $20 and I got $10.30 back. Did it through a machine, no teller. It's all automatic machines over there. There's no cashier that you go to. There are got some because people have got shopping carts, but the machines are just for the people who have only got a small amount of items. Yeah, so that's Woolworths supermarket, which would be like Robinson supermarket or SM supermarket. I tried to record in there. They told me to stop recording and made me delete what I had. Alright, I'm just going to eat these little pieces. Oh, no, that is good. Been 4 or 5 years since I've had a cherry ripe. The double dipped one, I've never seen that before, so it's going to be new to me. I think Christine would go crazy over these. And probably Rizza as well. Definitely Brandon. Well, maybe even Daniel to a certain amount. Oh, that brought back some memories. Drink me coffee. Let's try the double dip one, eh? put the pan down. Gonna repack these other ones. Double dip one isn't all that bad either. You can really taste the chocolate. Alright, the double dip one is pretty much the same as this original one, but more chocolatey. Because it's been double dipped, of course. Yeah, so anyways. Cheese and bacon roll. Alright. Not bad. Now you can put these in the microwave and nuke them for about 10 seconds, and it will help to melt the cheese a bit more and heat up the ham. But of course you don't have to. It's a preference, individual preference. Alright, well that's it anyway. Then just those little things there cost me $10. $10 is what? It's about 400 peso. So you can't find these things except for Maltesers. You can't find these other things in the Philippines. So can't really compare the price savings or whatever because, well, you can't buy these things in the Philippines, so you don't know how much you'd be paying for it. If you want to go buy other kind of chocolate bars like Mars or Snickers, you know, they're usually 40 peso, which is $1. And I paid $1.20 for these, like $1.20 each. So there's not that much difference. And Mars is an import food in the Philippines, so you know they put the import tax on it. These you just can't buy in the Philippines at all. Nobody makes them. If anybody does make them, well, I certainly have not come across them. And Maltesers can be done. I think they're around 370 peso, if I remember correctly, and that's almost $10. I'm pretty sure here these ones cost me $3.80, $4. So there's a big difference. I'm pretty sure I got the price right, or I might be confusing it with another chocolate pack that I used to buy. I'd have to check. But yeah, anyways, it's these are Cherry Ripe, brand new. Can't get them in the Philippines. Cheese and bacon rolls, also can't get in the Philippines. Maltesers you can get it, but not the popcorn flavour, as far as I know. I've never seen it. Anyway, that will do for now. And, well, there'll be more videos attached to this one later. Bye for now. Cheese and bacon roll. I've already eaten almost half of it, so it's double the size. Scrumdiddlyumptious.